How to add business location on Waze. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add business location on Waze. And the first thing to do is to download the Waze app. Once you downloaded it, the next thing to do is to go ahead and open the app. Once you open the app, you'll be brought to the home page, that is the home interface. Now for you to be able to add a business location, you would see a search bar by the lower part of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. The search bar is displaying where to. So here on this page, you will see some options below the where to box, such as saved, gas, food, etc. Just click on save. Once you click on save, you will see add a place. Click on it. Then just go ahead and input your business location here, wherever it is. If it's for example, Los Angeles. All right. Then just search for it and wait a little. Select it. Done. So this is how this is how to add a place. Basically, how to add business location on the Waze app. So go ahead and add that business location today. Thanks for watching.